Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in to Nerd Gadget. What we're going to do today is just a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Right after this. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Also, like this video and share it out. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention, if you are interested in purchasing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra or any of the new Samsung mobile devices, then there are still 4 days remaining where you can take advantage of some awesome pre-order deals for those devices. I will have a link in the product description. Use that link and it will take you directly to the Samsung site. Okay, let's cut this bad boy open here so we can have a look. All right, so we have this first, and then we have this band. This is actually one of the pre-order bonuses that I received when purchasing this watch. This is the band that I chose when purchasing the watch, and then they threw this one in for free. So pretty cool deal there. Again, this is the watch. Slide this out here. Has a nice weight to it, actually. Let's go ahead and open up this band. This is the one I want to use. Let's just jump right to it. Get all this out of there. Here's the band. Feels really nice. Slide that through. There we go. And that just connects just like so. All right, so it's going to be on my left hand. I have the buttons on this side, short band at the top. You can see at the bottom they have quick release buttons, one here, one there. So let's go ahead and push that down. Pop that in. That's one down. There you have it. It's looking dope. I'm loving this color here. Nice and comfortable. Like the way the orange is popping off of it. Make it a little tighter here. Probably right there. Drop that in there. There we go. It's nice. Let's cut it on for the first time. Top button there. Hold it down. And that should be turning on. So now it's time to go ahead and get this set up. So I'm not going to waste a lot of time here. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the setup. Let's go ahead and get this ready. Let me see here. Watch. Let's do that. Go through the process. Has an update available. Let's do Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this back up. Start. Blah, blah, blah. I'm sure that's the same number. Tap that there. Okay, so easy peasy stuff. Let's go through this process. Get this all set up and I'll be right back. The watch is really comfortable. This band is very comfortable. Screens are smooth. It's not the same as the bezel, but you can still get that feedback, which is pretty cool. You got the quick button here, the new one right in the middle. I push that and it takes me right to different exercises I can choose. And you can also customize what this opens up or launches. So that's good to know. Let me try that SOS feature. So if I hold this down for a few seconds here, and of course you can go through this process. I just want to see how loud it is actually in person. Yeah, that's definitely loud. So pretty cool features, but all in all, I'm definitely happy with this, and I'm looking forward to loading my other watch faces on here and using this as my everyday driver. But again, if you're interested in getting your hands on the Watch Ultra, Z Fold 6, or any of the new Samsung mobile devices, please go to my link and use that link in the description and take advantage of those pre-order deals that they're offering right now. Again, 4 days remaining at the time of me posting this video. Take advantage while you can. But this completes my quick unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra.